This is the pound yen on the 5 range, and we have a flag pattern that's set up, and the way it's looking is, I'm just going to remove the orders so that you can see it. So directional pole, and this here did not touch the first test, so this is a sign that we are starting to move sideways. If we're then looking for our kill zone, we draw from the first test in a straight line up. That measures the distance, and then we do it from the 3rd to the 4th, and that gives us an accurate idea there of where that trend line should be, and anywhere from that level and higher we should be looking for an entry. If we throw a fib on, we need a minimum of a 38.2. we've hit a 50%, and typically we're looking for the wicks of the previous outside return. Well, because this is the 5 range, we don't have it, so instead of the wicks we just look for the very lows, and right there you can see we've come right into that zone. Now, very simple then, if we're playing for a 127 fib extension, we must have room to go lower. Let's go and take a look if we have room to go lower, and if we look left, I'm just going to bring back on the orders. You can see looking left here that yes, we do have room to come down to potentially this level just here, and just fatten this up a little bit. You can see then we have quite a nice looking trade. So we had 1 test, 2 tests, 3 tests, 4 tests, and for me then stops just go above the high. Because this is the 5 range, I've gone more than an ATR. I've actually got 20 pips above the high here, so it has meant in terms of risk there is 20 pips of risk here for a reward of 47, so well over a 2-to-1 reward to risk here, and I am front running that fib target as well by 4 pips. I do want to make sure that I get filled and get out of this trade. We're back for the update, and what price did is we actually rallied straight from where I entered, broke out to the channel, pulled back to the trend line, rallied down, didn't come to targets. I went 1 pip past my targets, we pulled all the way back up, and then in the night we pulled down to actually hit those targets for plus 47 pips. What a lovely trade. I was asleep when all this happened, but nevertheless out of that for plus 47.